Welcome to my channel. This is What I Tasted. I'm Jeremiah, and today I'm making another 31 Days of Halloween recipes. I'm going to be making a pizza. It's going to have some vegan pepperoni, and I'm going to make it look like there's a cobweb on it. So to start, I'm going to sprinkle some flour on the cutting board. And now I'm just going to stretch out the dough. Okay, so once I have the dough stretched out, I'm going to add just a little bit of oil. And I'm just going to spread the oil out. I'm going to add some onion powder. This just gives it some depth. And same thing with some garlic powder. Now I'm going to add some tomato sauce. I like to pour the tomato sauce in the middle and then just work it around in a circle, getting all the way out to the outside edge. This also makes it easier that if you want to add any more sauce, you can go ahead and do so just by putting it right in the middle and working it out. I also like to go close to the edge because the dough is going to rise. All right, like so. I have some vegan Parmesan cheese that I'm just going to add here. I'm going to start with what is basically a plant-based cheddar cheese, and I'm just going to grate it into the middle. I'll always move it around however I need to. So the next cheese I'm going with is like a softer cheese, more mild cheese. Something along the lines of like a plant-based, like Monterey Jack kind of cheese would be good at this point. And so I'm just going to do the same thing as I did with our other cheese. Okay, so now at this point, I'm going to place the pepperoni in the middle and just work my way around in rings, just like I did the sauce. Alright, so there we go. There's the pepperoni on there. Okay, next up I have some plant-based mozzarella that I'm going to use to make a cobweb out of. So I'm just peeling some apart. From here, if you recall from my other video, I used some olives to turn it into what looked like a spider. And so I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm using large garlic stuffed olives. And so I'll set that up here. And then you use another olive and you really just break down the olive into what will be legs. Really like so, and then any more of that garlic that you have left you can just chop up a little bit, put it around the pizza. I'm going to do that for more of these spiders and then add it to the oven. Okay, so the pizza is in the oven. It's got the cobwebs on there, it's got the spiders on there. It's going to cook 350 degrees for probably about 20 minutes. Alright, and here it is. Alright, so we got our pizza. I'm just gonna cut up some slices here. The pizza is done, a vegan Halloween pizza with some pepperoni, some garlic, some olives, some spiders, and some cobwebs. It's gonna be fantastic. Let's try it out. Everything a pizza should be. You got the cheesiness, you got the toppings, the soft crust, it's flavorful, the sauce, the seasonings are coming through, absolutely fantastic. And all I did was get a little crafty with the olives and the plant-based mozzarella cheese on there to make it look like spiders and cobwebs. I know, super simple, so you can enjoy it with your friends and family on any Halloween night. Make sure you come back and check out some more videos. We got more 31 Days of Halloween coming up your way. I'm Jeremiah, your friend with Food Benefits. I'll see you again real soon.